You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or smaller than -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 22x from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -30. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or smaller than -1.